Welcome to Inq.wireMedia, where we bring you stories that touch the heart and demand our attention. In this episode, we will be delving deeper into the Christopher Gregor case. We find a narrative filled with heartbreak, legal intricacies, and a community's quest for justice. The trial, held in Ocean County, New Jersey, was more than just a legal proceeding. It was a public reckoning with the harsh realities of child abuse. At the center of the case was a video that became a pivotal piece of evidence. It showed Christopher Gregor subjecting his son, Corey Micciolo, to a grueling and dangerous exercise regimen on a treadmill. The footage was not just disturbing, it was a window into the life of a child who was being pushed beyond his physical limits by his own father. Corey's repeated falls and his father's insistence on continuing the exercise despite the child's distress, painted a picture of neglect and cruelty that was hard to ignore. The prosecution's case hinged on this video, along with medical evidence detailing Corey's injuries and the cause of his death. Experts testified about the long-term effects of such abuse on a child's physical and mental health, highlighting the severe consequences of Gregor's actions. The defense, on the other hand, attempted to portray Gregor as a misguided parent rather than a malicious abuser, arguing that his actions, while regrettable, did not constitute murder. During the trial, the defense's main arguments focused on challenging the prosecution's portrayal of Christopher Gregor as a malicious abuser. They sought to present Gregor as a misguided parent who, while making regrettable decisions, did not intend to cause his son's death. The defense likely argued that Gregor's actions, though harsh and misguided, were not indicative of a deliberate attempt to harm Corey. They may have also highlighted any mitigating factors or evidence that could suggest Gregor's actions were not motivated by malice or the desire to cause harm, but rather by misguided parenting practices. The goal of these arguments was to sway the jury away from a murder conviction and towards a lesser charge, emphasizing the lack of intent to kill and focusing on the subjective nature of parental discipline. The prosecution's case hinged on this video, along with medical evidence detailing Corey's injuries and the cause of his death. Experts testified about the long-term effects of such abuse on a child's physical and mental health, highlighting the severe consequences of Gregor's actions. The defense, on the other hand, attempted to portray Gregor as a misguided parent rather than a malicious abuser, arguing that his actions, while regrettable, did not constitute murder. The jury's decision to convict Gregor of aggravated manslaughter and child endangerment was a moment of reckoning. It was a verdict that recognized the gravity of Gregor's actions and the irreversible harm caused to Corey. Yet, it also sparked debate about the legal and moral responsibilities of parents, raising questions about where discipline ends and abuse begins. In the aftermath of the trial, the community of Ocean County, and indeed the nation, was left to grapple with the legacy of Corey Micciolo's short life. His story became a rallying point for advocates of child protection, leading to discussions about the need for stricter laws and better support systems for families in crisis. As Christopher Gregor's defense prepares to appeal the verdict, the case continues to evolve, with each development bringing new insights into the complexities of child abuse and the challenges of preventing such tragedies in the future. Corey's memory serves as a poignant reminder of the importance of safeguarding the most vulnerable among us, ensuring that no child suffers in silence. We thank you for your attention and support. We invite you to stay engaged with our channel as we continue to offer extensive coverage of both resolved and ongoing crime investigations worldwide. Your continued support ensures that we can deliver timely and relevant information to our audience. To get access to new episodes and stay informed, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel and actively engage with our content by liking and sharing. Your participation plays a crucial role in our efforts to deliver updates. We appreciate your viewership and the opportunity to keep you informed until our next broadcast. We bid you farewell.